guiding you across the ins and outs of strata living.
It's appropriate for the strata community to determine when to get legal advice, expert advice.
Helping you untangle the intricacies entailed in strata living.
Is this issue relating to the resident misbehavior? Is it a phone call first that should be done?
You're tuned in to Strata Life Podcast by Rochelle Castro, the place where you should learn all matters strata.
I'm back here in Strata Life Podcast by Rochelle Castro. I want to cover today common property maintenance. Disagreements usually arise in respect of maintenance of common property that relate to gardens, hallways, and pools, often arise when some residents feel as if it's not being properly maintained, or others think the cost it's too expensive to repair and maintain them. So an example of it would be a communal garden that it becomes overgrown and residents complain that the garden is not being maintained properly. Some residents could also argue that the costs are too high for the upkeep. One way that the Strata Committee, could address this is by conducting a survey to get the opinion on the garden's maintenance from the owners. They could negotiate with the owners a reasonable maintenance schedule and cost-sharing approach based on the building's needs and preferences. And most importantly, it is not just on the committee to make the decision or bear the burden on their shoulders. This is also an opportunity in carrying out the survey for the committee to understand what the rest of the strata community feels about types of issues and decision making. It is also an opportunity for the committee to have a conversation with the rest of the owners and make a decision so that they could have a joint and goal as a community. So keeping in mind that the conversation should really continue so that the committee would not only carry the burden of the decision, but could also have that conversation with the rest of the owners. If you see value in these podcasts, please share with those who are also living in strata communities. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. My name is Rochelle Castro here in Strata Life Podcast.